Yes. A lot of people call and they're asking about expungements. But if you have a D felony or level 6 felony, people are hardly ever advised that they may qualify for a reduction. Typically that time period is 3 years. A lot of times felonies have issues with background checks or employment, and so many people think they have to wait 8 years, but in fact, as soon as 3 years, you may qualify to reduce your felony to a misdemeanor. Oftentimes, felonies can cause a myriad of issues. It can affect your employment, it can affect background checks with respect to purchase of firearms or volunteering at the school or coaching. And so by reducing your felony to misdemeanor in a shorter time frame in 3 years, as opposed to waiting for an expungement in 8 years, can oftentimes afford people the relief they're looking for much sooner. In Indiana, there's certain requirements that you have to meet before you get your felony reduced to a misdemeanor. If you're not a sex offender, if your felony did not cause bodily injury, if you didn't commit perjury. So a lot of times if it's been a drug offense or an OWI, and it's been 3 years since you've completed your sentence, you haven't committed a crime since then, and you don't have any pending criminal charges at the time of your request, then you likely would qualify for a reduction. This is why it's really important that you have a competent criminal defense attorney working on your case. Oftentimes, ultimate misdemeanor sentencing can be negotiated in your plea agreement, and that can be either done at the beginning up front, at the time of sentencing, or on the back end, meaning hey, when I'm done with my sentence, I can come back and request that felony be reduced. Oftentimes, it's important too to negotiate that the state won't object to your request if you're requesting on the back end. If your plea agreement doesn't have an AMS provision, then you'll need to wait 3 years before you can apply. At Webster and Garino, we have a team of competent criminal defense attorneys who understand the law, who aggressively advocate for you, who will be able to advise you on your post-conviction relief options and which one is the best choice.